The big benefit of having a truck like this on site, our fitters can drive this around. They can service the truck where it is at that position or back in a holding yard. If there's a breakdown or the truck needs refueling, it can be refueled on the go line or in a position where suitable, the truck can keep working. So absolutely easy to operate. We have no downtime at all. This one's oils. The 4900, the SM4900 module is all about oils and coolants. Holds all your gear oil, your coolants, and all your engine oils and things like that. And then the 6000 module is all about fuels, greases, and things like that. So it's got the bigger tank, so it holds the diesel and the unleaded, but pretty much everything's on board. And then at the back, we have a full generator for all the power that we need, and also a big toolbox on the back as well to carry all the tools. We also have a full drum of oil at the back to pump through. Then more, we've got also full air hose underneath for all the air tools, anything that you need to service the vehicles with. And we've got a ladder that goes up on top. So if we need to get up to some of the high vehicles, as you know, some of the vehicles, some of the dump trucks are quite high. So we can get right up on top and fill from the top as well.